Hi, welcome to Crafts and Stuff with me, Rachelle. Today's fun craft is we're going to cover a notebook, or actually a composition book. You probably could do a notebook, but it would be a little bit different because it would have the spirals there. So you need two pieces of paper. They don't have to be the same, but I'm going to do them the same. It can be regular size 8.5 by 11 because that does fit, but at my house, all my pattern paper is 12 by 12, and I wanted to do patterns. So I am going to use Mod Podge to cover this. You can use a glue stick. It would use a lot of glue, but you could use a glue stick. You could use a regular old white, like a Elmer's glue if you wanted to, but I like the Mod Podge because I can spread it on with a brush. And I always start with the back side first, only because I consider it to be like the practice side. So I'm going to put Mod Podge on the whole thing, but I don't want it to be so thick that it drips down here because then all the pages will get stuck together. And what good is a notebook if you can't open it and take notes or whatever it is you're going to do with your notebook? But I'm putting the Mod Podge on the whole thing. Oh, didn't want it there. There we go. And I want to work somewhat quickly so that it doesn't dry on me, but not too fast that I get lazy and sloppy and it drips everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to take my first piece of paper and I'm going to line it up with this black right here. There we go. Make sure it's well stuck. Flip it over and do the other side. Oh, I probably should have mentioned, if your paper is directional, this is not, but say it had a vine with flowers or something, you want to make sure that it's going in the right direction so that when you open it up, that's at the top. All right, so it may not be directional, but it is the same pattern. So this goes, I don't know, this goes, there we go. All right, so if it's this way, then it's got to be this way. There, I think. We'll find out when we're all done. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the front side. Going to put some Mod Podge down here. And once again, hopefully not get it too drippy, because I do see a little right there. Or on the tables, because they're not my tables. I don't want to make a mess here at WCTV. They may not have me back. And cover the whole thing. And then take this, line it up. Come on. No, 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 no. Of course, the one that went on perfect was the one on the back, and the one on the front is not going on perfect. Ugh. Let's try this again. Okay, line it up with the black. There we go. Okay, now is the slightly, it's not difficult, but it can be a little frustrating, baby, is you've got to trim it. See? All right, I want to follow right along here. And I will save all of the bigger ones. I'm not going to save these little guys here. But I will save that big one for another project. And then don't forget to round off the edges because your notebook is rounded on the edges. I'm not doing the best job here. Hopefully the camera doesn't get in that close. Get that out of the way. Let's try this side. Come on. Cut. Okay, I'm just giving it a rough cut for now. I'm going to wait until it is even more dry. Drier. Before I do a real close cut. There's my rounded bit there. Okay, so. Okay, so now we just want to make sure that it's up. There's a spot right there that's not stuck. So we're going to get just a little bit, and I'm going to put it right there, and then try the other side. All right, that side is better than this side. That I will be done with for now. Okay, so here is my notebook, and it looks like none of the pages are stuck. Yay! But like I said, it's not a very nice crisp cut. I will do that after this has completely dried. But now is the fun part. I mean, this is fine. It's better than it was. But this is better. So I have stickers. I have scrap pieces of paper here, and I have all different shapes and sizes of hole punches. And now we'll be using the glue sticks. And I want to do outer space theme on mine. So let's see. How about if I cut out a great big circle? And then cut a little circle inside it just to be funky. There we go. Oh. Used my glue stick. I like purple glue sticks. You can tell where it is. Those clear glue sticks work just as well, but you just can't tell where they are. Is that the front of the book? Yes. Okay, let's put that there. And then I'll use the inside. And I'll put this down here. And then I do have a star. Let's see, what color stars? Oh, do I want gold? Yeah, we'll do gold ones. Since I'm using space stickers, I will add some stars to this. Getting glue all over the table. We'll put that one right there. Ooh, glue all over the book too. Good thing glue dries clear. Ew. Yeah. All right. Oh, there they are. Okay, so now where am I going to put all of my little stickers? Let's see. And I like these stickers because they're not completely flat. They're dimensional, if you can't really tell, but his head is higher than the rest of them. So where's a good, we're going to put him right there, right next to my circle. And I've got a rocket ship that's going to be coming in over here. And a little planet, the Saturn type planet, because it has a ring. Well, not just yet, because I have some blingy ones, and I want to put one of these on. Let's see, how do these work though? Oh, be very careful taking these off. They're just held on with a tiny, thin little strip. Okay, let's see. Let's put that right there. It kind of reminds me of the trail behind a comet type thing, or maybe the trail, the exhaust, I guess, that a rocket ship would leave. All right, so now where do I want to put this little planet? I'm going to put him right there. And I don't think I want to use that one. Okay. Is it dry enough where I can do a slightly better job with my trimming? I want to get right up against the existing notebook. And right without cutting the actual notebook. There we go. How's the top? Top doesn't look too bad. And then we'll snip this one. Very tough to do. My fingers get in the way. I need scissors that are, this part's a lot longer, so my fingers don't get in the way. Well, anyhow, there is my space-themed notebook. I kind of like that. That is pretty cool. Oh, I did get see a little bit of the red right there. Let's see if I can find something to cover that. Could I put another small bling? No. What about the one I didn't use? Yeah. Oh, I know what I could do. Wait a minute. We're going to use a duct tape. Okay, so you can leave the notebook as is, or you can cover this with duct tape. So I am going to try and find the beginning of the duct tape. There's got to be a beginning on here somewhere. Is this it? Yep. Okay. All right, so duct tape, very, very sticky stuff. If you were to just do that and cut it straight across, you're going to get gooey scissors. So when I do it, I just do a little bit of a snip. And then I hold both sides and pull. All right, so if you're going to do duct tape on the binding, start on the front, because sometimes the duct tape is not wide enough to go all the way around onto the back. So, and I'm going to overlap just a little bit because I want to cover that, my red spot. There we go. Bring it around to the back. See, it didn't quite meet, but this is the back, so that's okay. And then trim off the edges, which are sticking to my scissors. Come on, don't stick. There's one. And then there's the second one. Okay. Ah, there. Look. It's even more spectacular now that it's all glowy right there. Look at that. Oh, I do like my notebook. I hope you like my notebook. I hope you like whatever notebook you're making. Because, like I said, and you can make it out of just plain white paper if you want to, and you could color it. You don't have to cover it in stickers. You can use your own creations and color it with your crayons or whatever it is that you have. Well, thank you very much. Oh, sorry. Thank you very much for watching Crafts and Stuff with me, Rachelle. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.